The definition of a compound is two or more atoms combined in equal proportions, and a ionic compound is one nonmetal and one metal. An example would be NaCl, which is salt, and a covalent compound is two nonmetals, and an example of that would be carbon dioxide.
So we are doing the lithium atom. There are 3 protons. You find that because that is its atomic number. 4 neutrons. And how you find that is the atomic mass is 7. So you subtract the atomic number from the atomic mass, and that gives you the amount of neutrons. Those 2 dots are electrons.
Also the amount of protons.
And the amount of the amount of electrons is the same as the amount of protons.
Protons and electrons.
And that's how to do a Bohr diagram.
And the first shell can only hold 2 electrons. The second shell can hold 8, and then
From there on.
third shell 8, and then so on, 16, and then so on and so on.
There.
When naming polyatomic ionic compounds, nothing really changes. In some cases, you'll have 8 or ite or ide, but really just depends on the polyatomic ion. Nothing changes. Ammonium is the only positive polyatomic ion.
To see how acids are named, you have to check a couple things. You need to check the formula and see if the formula has oxygen or not. If it does, it ends with ate or ite, it should be changed to ic or os, like O-U-S, respectively. And if it does not have oxygen, then you can change the ending from ide to ic. And if it does have hydrogen, you can take away the hydrogen.
So oxygen.
Oxygen. My bad. For the Lewis dot diagram, you must first write down the formula name, right here. Next, you have to imagine the very last circle of the atom, the electrons, the valence shell. The electrons from that will turn into the dots for the Lewis diagram right here.